Hey, this is Jason Chisholm with Chisholm Marketing, and I'm gonna show you how to download Showbox on your smart Android smartphone. So, look at here. Click this Google search box. We're gonna go to Showbox APK, and then we're gonna click the first box, and then we're gonna scroll down. All right, keep scrolling. And then we're gonna hit this big green box where it say download Showbox. All right. And if it don't start downloading, oh, there it go. But if it don't start downloading automatically, you click right there where it say click here. And then we're gonna press OK. And once that done downloaded, okay, it's done downloading. So we're gonna go up here and click it, and then starting, and then you see it say Showbox. We're gonna go down and we're gonna click install. It's installing. Okay, it's done installing. So we're gonna click open. And boom, there you go. Showbox on your phone, your smartphone. So we're gonna click up here. We're gonna go to TV shows this time. We're gonna click power. We're gonna scroll down to first season. And they got all this. I believe they got all the seasons here, all the way to 5 seasons, so you can catch up if you like power. You're gonna click the first one. All right. They're gonna press play. And then gotta wait till it load up. And there you go. So now you got it on the go.